Good morning, and welcome your faces back to another vlog. It is currently 7:30 on a Sunday here in Pai, Thailand. Oh, there's a message on Bamboo Bridge. This bridge is temporarily closed to the damage. Please use the bridge crossings at Panamphon instead. We apologise for the inconvenience. I told you that the bridge was falling down. Oh my. Bamboo Bridge. Dun dun dun. Crazy. Is he gonna do it? Do it, do it, do it. Cross. He's not going to cross. I don't think he's very happy that he has to walk all the way around now. But I am here meeting a guy from the US that I met at the hot springs yesterday called Cole. He said that he runs every day, and I'm like, no way. You're another one of them weirdos like me. And we're like, yeah, we're weirdos. So we're gonna go for a run this morning. He said he's at this waterfront reserve, which is very close to where I was staying. I don't see him. I don't bring my phone as well. I woke up like less than 5 minutes ago. And I'm wearing a tank top again. I don't know why. I have this and a black one. I hate the look. It makes me feel like a weirdo, but the ideal for running. Oh, the lap is here. Topless as well. It's coming off! Lap 1, 6:20. Nice.
You got enough kilometers, huh?
Yeah.
I do miles. I only do miles. This guy's fast, dude. Can't keep up with him, man.
Lap 2, 5:59.
Yeah.
No. Lap 3, 5:46. How you feeling?
Speeding up. Legs are a little sore. Muay Thai 3 days in a row does not pair well with the run, but we're doing it. This guy's fast.
It's a lovely temperature at the moment.
A little humid.
It's humid, but
Bits are sweating.
it's chilled. It's not like them first days where the sun was on you constantly. It was crazy. It's nice being overcast. Lap 4, 5:40. Nice, one more to go. Now the Bamboo Bridge is closed, so we have to go the long way around.
We're speeding up. Only speed at this point.
And that's it. Nice. Woo! Nice boy.
Good work, dude.
Good work.
Oh yeah.
Whew. That was a solid. Right, Lord.
What's your pace?
5.2. Pace 5:50. 30:21.
You gotta show me
Nice.
the miles.
Yeah.
What that pace is looking like. 3.44 miles. 8:51 per mile.
Dang. Woo.
But Jake, you should always run with Jake.
Nice.
Yes.
Alright, I'll
Kill
catch
it.
you in a bit.
All right, bro.
Nice to
Good
meet you, man.
meeting you.
What a run that was. Oh, it's always funny running with someone else. Oh. Turned up with the tank top. He turned up topless. I was like, right, let's take that fucking stupid tank top off. It's always funny when you're just running with someone else. It's like, a lot of people do just run topless, but sometimes it's weird if like one person turns up topless and the other person doesn't. So it's like, what do you do? But it is funny running with someone else because I don't feel like I am like a fast runner. But I also do know I can be, and I do run somewhat fast, even though I do just run like a zone 2 all the time. But I like it. Sometimes like good motivate. I love when I'm running with someone and we're synced and the sound of like is like just a crazy little sound track to run to when you're not like listening to any music or anything. It's just that the tempo of your run. But I'm bloody sweating. I just ordered my scrambled eggs, extra egg, and my iced latte. She said it'll be 5 to 10 minutes. She's just on her way here because I spoke to the other woman, but she doesn't speak that much English, so I just have to wait until the other woman gets here. But that's fair dues. I don't speak Thai, so it is what it is. But gonna have a quick shower now, get ready, we'll scran this food in, and then I do want to go and check out the waterfall. I feel like it could be alright. I have to see about the water levels. If the water levels are too crazy, then I won't do it. But if it's anything less than my kneecap, we'll do it. Right, let's get to it. Just running is so fun. Let's go. Yeah, boys. As always, it is waiting here for me. It's fine. Lovely. Bloody lovely. Just finished my breakfast now. I don't know what it is, but every morning there must be a bird or something that sleeps on top of that lamp. It takes the most nastiest dumps. Every morning when I come out, it's like that. I want to know what bird it is, because it does actually leave some fat shits. So I've just been to 7-Eleven just to grab some peanuts and have a protein shake, and now I'm going to head to the waterfall. It's a 12-minute drive, so let's go, baby. Let's come here. Oh yeah, you doggy woggy. Oh. You have a beautiful little coat on you. You look well fed. Pretty little gnarly little place, this though. It's like a mixture between like newly built places and just like proper shacks. It's lovely though. I can tell you one thing, it smells beautiful. It smells just like absolute nature. Oh. Do I cross or do I not? I feel like crossing is the right answer. Yep, I agree. Whoa! Yeah! That was fun. dudes going off-roading. It's so much fun. Ripping it through the jungle. Whee! Whee! Oh my god, a puddle! Oh, why is it so much fun? Whee! Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, the water looks a little bit hot, it. Can't friggity lie. Nice. I remember we went higher up around the corner here and then we can park. Dude, off-roading, dude. Whee! There's 2 motorcycles here, dude. Looks like 2 people are already here, but they don't look like tourists. They look a bit locally. Local bags, dude. Nice. So we're here at the start. Try and do a bit of bare feet action, but my feet haven't really been bare feeting in a while, so whoa! We're starting at 10 AM. So let's see how long it takes to get to the waterfall. A lot of it's like this, you're just walking next to the river, but then also you're crossing it quite a lot. I always remember this little place. It's quite a nice little place, secluded from everywhere else. There's also a little cabin place at work. Right. Now that there is a big ass tree. Like I said before, I've done this hike before and it's pretty chill, so I know what to expect. If it does look any different or more challenging, especially when it comes to these water crossings, then obviously I will turn myself back, but at the moment it's pretty chill. They're not that hard to cross. I'm just trying to get out all the sand because I collect so much sand. But okay. That it rubs my sandals, so I try to wash my feet off before getting out. But I generally don't think there's going to be anyone on the trail. When I pulled up, there was the 2 motorcycles, but I think they're just locals. They look like local bikes. So, unless they're on the trail. But they could be living in them like huts that we went past in there. There was also snake on this route last time, so could be a snake again, who knows. But that's what it looks like. It's definitely a lot more dense than it was last time I was here in birding season. Like, you could definitely just see a lot more. But the trail stands out so much, so it's not hard to follow. But basically, the path leads to the water, and then on the other side you can see the path again, and you just keep bouncing from one side to the other. But I'm just keeping my eye out for spiders and snakes on the path. But look at these trees, man. There's humongous. Don't know if you can see this, but what the hell you did? See some random bugs. I think it was some sort of centipede. Also, got to mention as well, if it does start heavy raining, I will head back straight away, because obviously with heavy rain comes flash flooding, and I don't want to be so far in and it flash flood, and then obviously the water rises crazy. So don't worry, I'm thinking about everything, don't worry. It's not my first rodeo. It is bloody lovely though. Oh, another crossing here. Oh, I just went to a proper spider web. Look at you know. I can still see the spider on it. Oh, literally I went through this massive spider's up there. Oh, 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 bloody hell. Gives me the oh, that was literally a big spider as well. Luckily enough, it was still on. Oh god. Oh, EBGBDBDs. Alright, let's see about this. Chilling. Whoa. There's the trees falling down. Dang. straight across the path. Look. Can I scramble over? 1 second. Not too bad. I went for it. It wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. Looks like there's a couple of fallen trees though. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. Oh. Nice. I seriously hate spiders. I cannot repeat how much I hate spiders. Just the cobwebs, man. When I feel it on there, it just gives me the heebie-jeebies. Like when you're walking towards stuff like this, you're just like. But it's been pretty chill so far. Taking the time on the crossing. Not one bit of rain has come down yet, so we're looking alright. I can't remember how far I am in, but it's been an hour. And it's supposed to be like a 2 hour there, 2 hour back, so I'm halfway. But I think I'm definitely more than halfway. Because I remember when you get to a point where you're going up a hill, like there's like a proper incline of a hill, that's when you're getting really close to the waterfall. Oof. And I haven't got to that yet. But I don't know how easy it is to see on camera, but like when you get to a water crossing, you just basically look over and that's the way you go. Oh. For a tree. Okay. Check for spiders. Nothing that I see standing out. Gotta go down. Whoa, look at all the mushrooms. Look at that. Ah, all them. Damn. Let's get under this. Woo. Spiders, nope. Nice. Spiders, nope. Spiders, nope. Nice. Nice. Woo. Lovely. Doesn't look like a lot, but I might pass on this I need to get to that side. But these fit here, and like this bit here and that bit is deep, like way deep. It doesn't look it, but I've just literally stood there and it's deep. Stood there, it's deep here. The only other way I've not checked is like that area right there. But I need to be on that side. The path goes that way somewhere. I'm not far away from the end, I don't think. Let's have a look. I'm still a bit though. It's there and here. Probably just over halfway. I have no service as well, so yeah. I think this is going to be the end. It's very fast running water right here, and I don't want to slip on my own and just end up hurting myself. So unfortunately, sometimes being a bit older and a bit wiser sometimes makes you question it. If I wasn't on my own, I would definitely give it a go. It's not, I think it's doable, but is it doable out here in the jungle? The water just needs to be a little bit less, because without the amount of rain, yeah, and I don't want to get there that it start properly raining, and then when I come back this has gone stronger and more higher. So I'm sorry guys, you don't get to see the actual waterfall, and I'm sorry Mum that I don't get to see the buffaloes there again. But I know you'll be proud of me for not risking it, being more smart. But it's weird, it looks like that rock is like nearly like 1.5 meters long, and so that stretch there is probably about 1.5 meters. Same with that there. Right, I'm just gonna head back a little bit and chill out at one of the little spots. Yeah, what is it? Wow. This is what I have to look out for all the time. Oh, you can't even see it on camera. Just like super cobweb. Oh, what a place though. What a bloody place. Look what I just found. It was literally left like this. Why is this outside? Still ticking. What the frick? Wonder what time it is? It's a bit of a random thing to find in it. Funny. Whoa, dragonfly there. Whoa. It just flew in my face and landed right there. Whoa! Can you see that? Whoa. It is absolutely bizarre. Oh, with the sun you can see all the butterflies as well now. I wish you could see what this looks like. The camera just does not give you this. The scale of how big these trees are, and just looking up there how mad it is. And trees are so high up. And I'm here just crossing rivers. Oh my god, that was a bit deep. Whoa. There's butterflies flying around me. It's mad. I do think about, like, why do I deserve this? Why do I have and get the privilege to do this? Did you hear that? It sounded like, I don't know, a tree cracking. Or like something popping. Did you hear that then? What the frick? No, the tree's not falling down. But I honestly don't get why and how I got this privilege of just doing this. It is mad. I am incredibly grateful for my family. I love you all. Mwah. That I get to do stuff like this. Also, I do work hard, and I do live smarter. So I have the funds to do this, but you don't need a lot of money just to do this once in your life. Like, imagine me trying to do this in your 50s, 60s. You just ain't doing it. And I don't want to get to that point of my life and be like, wow, I should have done it when I was younger. So, I'm not giving myself that bloody excuse and a bloody future disappointment. Or some people might say regret. Oh, it's bloody crazy. Right, shut up, Jake. Mr. Wisdom 101. Focus on spider whacking and getting through this jungle. Let's go. God, I wish you could see that butterfly. Probably the same size as my hand. It was massive. This bit looks so nice with the banana trees. Whoa. Now we're back in a bit of civilization. My phone and watch have just been going off, so I'm back connected to the internet. And there's like a farm. Start. Ugh. My shoes though, they are a rubby dubby dub dub dub. You're gonna hear me complain about some of the rubbing that has occurred today later in the evening. This is a plaster that I've put on. Ugh. Ugh. My feet are hurting so bad. There's a crazy woman singing. Back to the whippage. Safe and sound. Just 24 new blisters on my feet. So I was going to try the sandwich place that I went to last night, but it was closed. So there's a couple of people at this one here, so let's try this one out. I think it's going to be like just a balmy sandwich, but I'm hungry. I'm hungry at my feet. My feet. It's fat. I just destroyed that sandwich, and now the top of my mouth is on fire. Also burnt. But I'm gonna head to a steam room. I feel like steaming it out, so I'm gonna do that because it is only 26 minutes past 1. That's a little shout. I am a bloody idiot. So I was just gonna plug you in because you're on 4%. I got the batch pack, grabbed the lead, but I grabbed the wrong lead. I grabbed my watch charger. So it's gonna die soon. So maybe not a lot of footage of me at the steam room, but I'm here. Hello. What was the last clip now? What was the last clip? One's that? Oh, it was at the steam room, wasn't it? In my head then I'm like, where was that? Yeah. So, yeah, I was at the steam room, everything was chill. Had a nice session there. And then I've just come back and I've just edited today's video. I'm just drying out my shoes. Cleaned them and dried them out. And yeah, just organised myself. Just had a little spring clean up inside. Got left it a little bit messy, so just clean that up. It is 6 PM now. I haven't been to the gym, so I'm going to go to the gym and then we're going to go and get some food. Yeah, see ya. Let's go. So I've just been trying to extend, and I'm just negotiating. I'll tell you in a minute what I've done. Okay, I'll let you know. So I booked here for 7 nights and I was checking out on the 9th. Today is the 7th. And when I booked it, it was around about 680 baht per night that when I booked it online, and I've just got it down to 500 baht per night, so 180 baht per night cheaper. I forgot to film 2 of my exercises then. There was literally a person every single one sat here, so I felt a bit of a weirdo filming myself in gym again. But we're about to do some flies, so let's go. And the gym is done. It's nice. I'm gonna go for some food now, and then probably just chill out for the evening. Feels like it's been a very long day for some reason. I am feeling a bit tired, so we'll get some good food and then we'll see where we go from there. Come back to the sandwich place. So I'm gonna have a barbecue chicken salad like I had the first night. I had the sandwich last night, but it was a bit much to be honest, so I prefer just like the chicken, so let's have that. I'm making a little proper tan for some reason. Shut up, Jake. Sorry, she put it in front of me and I just died chomping down on it. Got the carb. But so good. Massive. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And we're back with the chocolate once again. It's so good. I can't not. Can't not. Yeah, brush. What a life. Right. I'm just gonna end the vlog now. It is only 8:30, but I'm literally not gonna be doing anything other than putting my gym jams on and watching YouTube myself. So, sorry that the waterfall was a bit of a flop today, but like I said, I'm not just risking it if I personally don't feel safe doing it, so I didn't, so we're headed back, but I enjoyed being out there. It was unreal. It was so good. So good. And then yeah, cheeky little steam session, editing session, gym sesh, eating sesh, and now we're on a chill sesh. I'll do it all again tomorrow. So if you did enjoy today's video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. And you know what? I'll see you sexy faces tomorrow. Signing out. Good night.